YouTube, what's happening? What it is, what it do, man? Welcome back to a brand new episode of Money Mitch TV. This is your boy, sneaker head, Money Mitch, back with another review. You see that SKU, you seen the picture, you see the box. Without further ado, let's get it, man. She say money ain't gon' make it. That nigga ain't got no record deal, but I'm living straight. Got a hot down street from Holyfield, grind and get the cake. Tryna cash out on a couple meal, poker face. So we looking at these things today. Fresh up out that business. Show you exactly how these things come in. We got the fear card. Limits like fears are often just an illusion. Michael Jordan signature. That jump man. Toss that to the side. Nike box. You see it. Real quick before we jump into it. Dope Nike box, man. These is hard. That box is dope. Show y'all that real quick. I know that ain't what y'all want to see, but I'm gonna give y'all a good in-depth look. But let's get it, man. Let's up out there. Yeah. That Limitless Women's Jordan 1. Yes, sir. Your boy is about to give you a good in-depth look. Man, if y'all like stuff like this, man, go ahead and drop a like for your boy, man. If you still ain't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe for your boy. I definitely appreciate it. Now, let's get into these things. So, the material on these things, let me see if it's gonna pick up. I got the flash on. Yes, sir, I do. These are, dang, I'm trying to figure out how to best explain this material. They are the same material they look like. That's the best way to explain it. But let me jump into it first, man. We got that metal wings logo, just like the women's black toes that came out about a month or so back. We got kind of like a copper and black colorway that goes drip throughout that whole upper. The material is like some of that women's, I don't know, it's whatever it looks like. That's exactly how it feels. I'm trying to think of what material that is, but jumping into it, it comes with 2 additional laces, which are red and an off-white. Then looking at that Tizon, that tongue has a black tongue. Nike Air is in a, looks to be a gray colorway. Going down the whole tongue is black. Then taking a look at that medial panel of the shoe, we got the stitching. Show y'all everything on the shoe. And we have those 2-tone colors. Falling out with that white midsole and outsole on these Jordan 1. So, down below, leave your thoughts, comments, and opinions about these Jordan 1. Then I want to show you the opposite shoe as well. Same quote on these things. Has a hang tag, which is the Jordan Wings logo hang tag that comes with these things. Also, give y'all a look at that inside. Insole says fear, and they have that black kind of wax laces that come in these guys. Just want to give y'all a good in-depth look of these upcoming women's exclusive Jordan 1s, which I call the Fearless. Down below, y'all leave y'all thoughts, comments, and opinions about these Jordan 1. Let your boy know if you're going after them, think the retail's gonna be worth it. Sleeping on them, think they're gonna hit the outlet. Let your boy know something down below, man. Other than that, my thoughts on them, they are different. They're gas. I wish I can tell you guys what that material is. That's why I keep trying to zoom in and let you kind of see it. It feels exactly how it looks. It's not hard or stiff or anything. Once you take the insert out, the toe does move. It's not like a patent leather. These are definitely softer. I feel like they're gonna be a lot more comfortable than a patent leather Jordan 1. That's just your boy opinion. It's been your boy, Sneaker and Money Mitch. You already know, like I always tell you, man, make sure at the end of the day, at the end of the day, make sure every last one of y'all like what you rock and rock what you like. Before I go, man, if y'all new to the channel, man, you see your boy trying to come with these early reviews for you guys. Authentic pairs, man. drop a like, man. If you ain't subscribed to the channel, subscribe for your boy. I definitely appreciate y'all. Other than that, it's been your boy. Tell you to always like what you rock and rock what you like. Cha-ching. Gang, gang, man. I'm out.
She say money ain't gon' make it. That nigga ain't got no record deal, but I'm living straight. Gotta hop down street from Holyfield, grind and get the cake. Tryna cash out on a couple mil, poker face on.